In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert hyperlinks from text in Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted to turn plain text into a clickable link that takes you straight to a website or resource, this will make your sheets cleaner, faster to navigate, and easier to share with your team. Start by selecting the cell that contains the exact text you want to turn into a hyperlink. Make sure the wording is how you want it to appear because that's what your viewers will see and click. With the cell selected, you have a straightforward way to create the link using Google Sheets' built-in function. Type the formula equals hyperlink URL text. Replace URL with the full web address you want to open and replace text with the words you want to display in the cell. For example, you might use something like a hyperlink, http example.com, project site. The first part tells Sheets where to go, and the second part controls the label that appears in the cell. When you're filling in that formula, make sure the URL is in quotes and includes the full protocol, like https/, so the link works correctly. The display text also goes in quotes. Once you've entered the formula with your URL and your chosen text, apply it, and the cell will immediately switch from plain text to a clickable hyperlink. If you see a link box appear, paste your URL into that box. This is simply where you provide the destination for the link. After pasting the URL, click Apply. That confirms your choice and attaches the link to your selected text. As soon as you apply it, your text becomes an active, clickable hyperlink, typically styled with underlining and a blue font, so it's clearly recognizable. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Double check that your URL is correct before you apply it, especially if you're linking to a shared document or a long web address. If your text already exists in the cell, keep it concise and meaningful so anyone reading the sheet knows exactly what the link represents. If you ever need to update the destination later, you can edit the formula or the link box the same way you entered it, and your display text can stay the same. That's all there is to it. Select your cell, use the hyperlink formula with your URL and display text, paste the URL in the box if prompted, click Apply, and you're done. Your text is now a clean, clickable hyperlink in Google Sheets.